Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video part of our i8 Pro Max smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the menus and features and the different functions available in the smartwatch. Okay, so before you buy, if you are interested in getting the i8 Pro Max smartwatch, watch this video first. You will know the features and functions offered here in the smartwatch before you purchase. Then if you like it, you can decide now if you will purchase the wearable or not. Okay, so let's check. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, before we proceed with its features and menus, let's have a look first at the design. Okay, so we have here a decent looking smartwatch. So the ground button here works as well as the oval button here. Okay, okay, for the screen we have, okay, a wide screen display here, 1.8 inch with 240 by 285 pixel resolution. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. You can use this one to swipe out to cycle through the different watch faces. Okay, so let's change the watch face here. Okay, going back, on top we have the notifications here. You can see all the message notifications on this part. Okay, on the left side we have the split screen. So the split screen works by showing you the recent access application. Okay, let me check. For example, we do have the heart rate here. Okay, see, as you can see, you can access the heart rate right away. Okay, on the bottom part we have the settings. Okay, or one of the important settings or functions in the wearable. So we have here activity tracking. Okay, we have the menu style. We have at least several menu style here. We have the grid style. What's that? The other one, gypsophilia style, grid 9 style. We have list style and blacklist. How many styles do we have, or how many menu options? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and of course we do have the information about your smartwatch and the brightness screen display. Okay, okay, on the bottom part, again, that's the settings. On the upper part, that's the message notifications. On the right side we have, okay, so it's a watch faces. Okay, you can swipe on the screen to, okay, pick your favorite watch face. Okay, you can also use the crown button here. So where's the menu? You can access the menu, the main menu, by pressing the crown button. Okay, can we also use this? No. Okay, just sit for turning off the screen for this one. Okay, press. Okay, so we have here a menu. So let's change it first so we can really see the name of the different menu. Okay, let's go for, I think, list. Okay, so we have here the list. Okay, so it supports dial, contact, so meaning the smartwatch has a Bluetooth support. Okay, call logs. Okay, we have message for the message notifications. We have pedometer, automatic activity tracking, so it monitors the time, the distance, as well as the calorie. Do have the sleep monitoring, so we track, so it monitors. I guess this one, the light sleep, the sleep, deep sleep, okay, as well as the REM sleep, as well as the time here. Also have the sedentary, Bluetooth camera, and Bluetooth music. You need to pair it with your smartwatch or smartphone to be able to use these features. We have find phone, we have an alarm, settings. Let's check on the settings. Okay, what's this one? Okay, it doesn't, I can't read here. Maybe this is lift your wrist to display. Shock, maybe this is vibration. Okay, it's not detailed here. And we have the about, brightness, the QR code for the support app. So it is using the HR Wi-Fi, available in Android and iOS platform. Okay, shutdown, torch, this is a flashlight. Dual mode, I don't know what is the dual mode is. Okay, that did not say, there's no instructions here. We'll check on that. We have the health, I guess this is the heart rate. Okay, yes, it's the heart rate. We have the running, skipping. So the sports is not categorized into a single sport category, but it's already outside of the menu. It's on the main menu. We also have the language support. So it supports several languages here. Okay, Portuguese, Chinese, English, French. Okay. Then let's check. So it monitors the time, the distance, and the calories. Very simple, basic. We have weather. So how many sports do we have again? Running, skipping, cycling, and climbing. We only have 4 sports activity here. We have a stopwatch, of course. The menu, we already checked on it earlier. So it also supports notifications from WhatsApp, Facebook, Skype, and Twitter. Again, it's not categorized into a different or into message section or notification section. Contacts, dial, call logs. Okay, message, you have the option to read it here. Okay, as you can see, it supports real-time notifications as well as Bluetooth call notifications. Okay, we have alarm, find phones. So these are the features and menus in the wearable. Okay, so let's check for the heart rate. Do we have a blood pressure here? I did not notice it. Okay, we only have one section for health here. Okay, so let's check. So it doesn't have a, seems like it doesn't have a blood pressure. We'll see. Let's, okay, so we only have a heart rate monitor here. Okay, we don't even have a blood oxygen notification, but we do have a Bluetooth call support. Okay, we do have 9190. Okay, we do have 89. Okay, again, let's go back. Oh, we have here the blood pressure. It's not, okay, you really have to check it. Okay, we also have a blood oxygen. Okay, they did not put any instructions here. As you can see here, we only have 3 dots here, signifying there's another or there's an available function. So we do have a heart rate. We have a blood pressure monitor. Okay, and we have a blood oxygen level here. As you can see, it's an SpO2 monitoring function. Okay, so it's a 3-in-1. Okay, it's available here in a health section. Okay, so that's it for the i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, it's an okay smartwatch. We'll see if the Bluetooth call works, and we have a good results for the blood pressure when we check it with our medical grade device. You can say that it's a very affordable, it's a good affordable smartwatch. Okay, it's an i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Check out the links below for our initial review as well as the specifications of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, Okay, and of course the video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.